Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you why your Facebook dating profile isn't showing and how to fix it. If you are trying to use Facebook dating but the option is missing from your Facebook app, there are several possible reasons why this is happening. In this video, I will walk you through the different steps you can take to check why your Facebook dating profile is not showing and how you can fix it. First, you need Facebook app. You can sign up using the link in the description. The first thing you need to do is check whether Facebook dating is available in your country and if your account meets the necessary requirements. Open your web browser and search for Facebook dating requirements. Click on the official Facebook Help Center link that appears in the results. This page will provide a list of the eligibility requirements for Facebook dating. According to Facebook, dating is only available in certain countries. You need to be at least 18 years old and have a Facebook account that has been active for at least 30 days. Your account must also be in good standing, meaning it should not have any restrictions or violations. Additionally, if you recently deleted your Facebook dating profile, you will not be able to create a new one for 7 days. Scroll down on the Help Center page to see the list of countries where Facebook dating is available. If you do not see your country listed, that means Facebook has not rolled out the dating feature in your region yet. In that case, you will have to wait until Facebook expands the service to more locations. If Facebook dating is available in your country but still not showing in the app, the next step is to check if the feature is hidden in the menu. Open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the menu section. If you're using an iPhone, the menu is in the bottom right corner. If you are using an Android device, it might be in the top right. Once you're in the menu, look for an option called See More and tap on it. This will expand additional menu options. If Facebook dating was hidden, it might now appear in this list. If you see the dating option, tap on it to start setting up your profile. If the dating option is still missing, it might be hidden in the app settings. To check this, go back to the menu and tap on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Scroll down until you find the tab bar section under Preferences. Select the Customize the bar option. Here, you will see a list of menu features, some of which may be hidden. Look for Facebook dating in this list. If it is marked as hidden, tap on it and select the Pin option to make it visible again. Once you do this, go back to the menu section and check if the dating feature is now showing at the top of your screen. If you still do not see Facebook dating after these steps, there may be a technical issue with the app. In this case, reinstalling Facebook might solve the problem. If you are using an Android device, go to your home screen or app drawer, press and hold the Facebook app icon, and then select Uninstall. Once the app is deleted, go to the Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and reinstall it. If you're using an iPhone, you can offload the app instead of uninstalling it. To do this, go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find Facebook, tap on it, and then choose Offload App. Wait a few seconds, then tap Reinstall App. This will clear the app's cache and remove any temporary files that may be causing problems while keeping your login details intact. After reinstalling Facebook, log into your account and check if the dating option has appeared. In many cases, reinstalling the app ensures that you have the latest version of Facebook, which may include bug fixes and updates that restore missing features. That's it. Don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up for Facebook dating for free.